Hello students, welcome back. So we are doing exercise 21E, prove trigonometrical identities, isn't it? So in our previous videos we have completed till question number 6 from this exercise 21E, and today we'll start from question number 7 onward. Okay, so let's begin. So this is question number 1 of 7. So before we start doing this question, let us write the formula that we require while solving the questions from this question number 7. Okay, I have already given this formula, but even then I'm going to remind you again. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. Similarly, if sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, then cos 90 minus theta will be equal to sine theta. Okay. Number 3, tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta. Then number 4, cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta. And number 5, sec 90 minus theta equals to cosec theta. Similarly, number 6, cosec 90 minus theta equals to sec theta. These are the formula which we require while solving these questions. Okay, very simple. If you remember, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, then obviously cos 90 minus theta will be sin theta. Similarly, if you know tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, then obviously cot 90 minus theta will be tan theta. That's just the opposite, isn't it? Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, then cosec 90 minus theta will be sec theta. Okay, and one more thing I want to make you remember is sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1. Similarly, cos theta into sec theta equals to 1. Tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. Okay, this formula also we require while solving these questions. Okay, now let's begin. We have 2 tan 35 upon cot 55 whole square, isn't it? We will convert this 55 to 35. Okay, we'll copy tan 35 as it is. We have tan 35 degree in the numerator, and in the denominator we have cot 55 degree, isn't it? So this is cot, so we write cot. Instead of 55 I can write 90 minus 35, because if I subtract 35 from 90 I get 55, isn't it? 90 minus 35 is 55. So instead of this 55 I can write 90 minus 35 whole degree. This is whole squared, so we must put the square. So here we have cot 55, we copy as it is. Okay, cot 55 in the numerator, cot 55 degree, and in the denominator we have tan 35, isn't it? So this means tan 35 means 90 minus 55. If you subtract 55 from 90, you get 35. 10 minus 5 is 5, and this becomes 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. So this is whole squared. Okay, minus excuse me, this is minus. Okay, minus this 3 comes here. Sec 40 we copy as it is, sec 40 degree, and in the denominator we have cosec 50 degree, isn't it? So cosec 50 means 90 minus 40. Instead of 50 degree I can write 90 minus 40, because if I subtract 40 from 90 I get 50 degree. Whole, no square, that is not a square. Okay, so we put this 2 as it is, we copied this 2 as it is. Tan 35 degree we copy as it is, and in the denominator we have cot 90 minus theta. This is 90 and this is theta. Okay, theta is the angle, isn't it? Theta is the angle. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So cot 90 minus 35 is tan 35. Theta is 35 degree, isn't it? So this is squared, plus cot 55 we copy as it is, cot 55 degree, and in the denominator we have tan 90 minus theta, isn't it? Tan 90 minus theta, theta is 55 degree here. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cot 55 tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, that is cot 45 whole squared. This square comes here minus this 3. Now sec 40 we copy as it is, sec 40, okay, and in the denominator we have cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, isn't it? Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So instead of cosec 90 minus theta, I write sec theta. What is theta? Theta is 40 degree. Theta means angle, isn't it? So this 2 comes here, tan 35 and tan 35 can be cancelled, so 1 remains here. So this is 1 squared plus this cot 55 and cot 55 can be cancelled, so 1 remains here. So 1 squared minus this sec 40 and sec 40 can be cancelled, 3 into 1 here. So 1 squared is 1, 1 ones are 1, isn't it? So that 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 squared is 1 minus 3 ones are 3. So plus 2 plus 1, this 2 has plus sign here, plus 2 plus 1, that is plus 3 and minus 3 is 0. So the value of this expression is 0. Okay, so I hope you got this. Now let's move on to next question. Okay, now let us do question number 2 of 7 from exercise 21E. Okay, we have this question. So we are asked to find the value of this expression. Let's do this. What we do is, among these two angles we convert one and another one we write as it is. Okay, suppose if I convert this 64, I write this 26 as it is. Sec 26 degree I copy as it is, and instead of this sine 64 I write sine 90 minus 26. If I subtract 26 from 90, I get 64, isn't it? 10 minus 6 is 4, and this becomes 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. So sec 26, this is sec 26, this sine, 64 means 90 minus 26. Plus comes here. Cosec 33 I copy as it is. Cosec 33 degree. Among these two angles I need to convert only one. Okay. So sec 57 degree means sec. This sec is this sec. 57 means 90 minus 33. If I subtract 33 from 90, I get 57. 10 minus 3 is 7, and this becomes 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. So this is sec 26 degree into sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, isn't it? Sine 90 minus theta, theta is 26. This is cos 26 degree. Plus this cosec 33, I copy as it is. Cosec 33 degree, and in the denominator I have sec 90 minus theta. So sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. That means cosec theta is 33 degree. So sec theta into cos theta, sec theta into cos theta. Okay, this theta is 26, this theta is 26. Angles should be same. Please keep in mind, angles should be same. Sec theta into cos theta. Sec theta into cos theta. Okay, angles are theta in both the cases. Sec theta into cos theta equals to 1. So sec theta into cos theta. Angles are same, so this can be written as 1. Okay, if the angles are different, then we cannot write 1. Okay, so plus here cosec 33 in the numerator and cosec 33 in the denominator, so both can be cancelled and we have 1 here. So 1 plus 1, this is 1. Okay, and plus here this is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the value of this expression is 2. I hope you got this. Now let's do another question. Okay, now let us do question number 3 of 7. We have 5 sine 66 degree upon cos 24 degree minus 2 cot 85 upon tan 5 degree. We are asked to find the value of this expression. Okay, so as we have done earlier, we have to convert only one angle among these two. Okay, so I copy the numerator as it is, 5 sine 66 degree, and in the denominator I convert this angle. Cos, instead of 24, this cos is this cos, instead of 24 I can write 90 minus 66, because if I subtract 66 from 90 I get 24. So this is minus, this is 2, and in the numerator we have cot 85, I copy as it is, cot 85 degree, and in the denominator we have tan 5 degrees, isn't it? So tan 5 means instead of 5 I can write 90 minus 85, because if I subtract 85 from 90 I get 5. So this is 5 sine 66 degree, sine 66 degree, and in the denominator we have cos 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, isn't it? So cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, and theta is 66, minus this is 2 cot 85, we copy as it is, cot 85 degree, and in the denominator we have tan 90 minus theta, and tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, isn't it? So this is cot theta is 85. So sine 66 and sine 66 can be cancelled from the numerator and the denominator, so we have 1 here. Similarly, this cot 85 and cot 85 can be cancelled, so we have 1 here. So 5 ones are 5 minus 2 ones are 2. So 5 minus 2 gives us 3. So the value of this expression is 3. Okay, I hope you got this. Now question number 4 of 7. Okay, so we are asked to find the value of this expression. We have cos 40 into cosec 50 plus sin 50 into sec 40. So among these two angles we have to convert only the one. Okay, so let's do this. I copy cos 40 as it is, cos 40. You can keep this cosec 50 as it is and convert this 40 also. Okay, same thing. So this is cosec 50, isn't it? So cosec, instead of 50 I can write 90 minus 40. 90 minus 40 gives us 50, plus sin 50 I copy as it is, sin 50 degree. Instead of sec 40 I can write sec 90 minus 50, because if I subtract 50 from 90 I get 40, isn't it? So this is cos 40 degree into cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, isn't it? Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So cosec 90 minus theta, theta is 40, that is sec theta, sec 40, plus this is sin 50. Sec 90 minus theta is cos theta, sorry, cosec theta, cosec theta. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. So this sin 50, this sin 50, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Okay, now we have the same angle 40 and 40. So cos theta into sec theta, cos theta into sec theta is 1, isn't it? So this is 1, plus this plus comes here, sin 50 into cosec 50. Angles are same. Please keep in mind the angles should be same. Okay, sin 50 into cosec 50 means sin theta into cosec theta. Sin theta into cosec theta is 1. So this is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So the value of this expression is 2. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let's move on to the next question, that is 5. Okay, now let's do question number 5 of 7. We need to change one angle from this two. Okay, only one angle, and we should keep in mind that the angle which we keep here should be here also. Okay, so let's do this. Suppose if I change 63 here, then here also I need to change 63. This is sine 27 degree into sine 63 degree means sine 90 minus 27, isn't it? If I subtract 27 from 90, I get 63. This sine 27 is this sine 27, this sine is sine, so 90 minus 27 is 63, minus, now since I changed this 63 here, so I need to change this 63 here also. Okay, so this is cos 63 degrees, isn't it? So cos 90 minus 27. 90 minus 27 is 63. This cos is this cos. 90 minus 27 is 63 into cos 27. Okay. Now this sine 27 comes here as it is, sine 27 degree. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, isn't it? Cos theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Theta is 27 degree. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Theta is 27. So minus cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, isn't it? So cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Theta is 27. into cos 27. Now we have sin 27 into cos 27 here, and here also I have sin 27 into cos 27. Same number, but the signs are opposite. This number has minus sign and this number has plus sign. No sign means plus sign. So if I subtract this number from this number, I get 0. Okay, since 2 minus 2 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0. We all know this, isn't it? If I subtract the same number from the same number, I get 0. So let's do question number 6. Number 6 of 7. So we are asked to find the value of this expression. So in the numerator we have 3 sine 72 degree, and in the denominator cos 18 degrees, isn't it? So cos 18 means 90 minus 72. If I subtract 72 from 90, I get 18. So cos 18 means cos 90 minus 72. This minus sign comes here. Sec 32, I copy as it is, sec 32 degree. And in the denominator we have cosec 58. So cosec 90 minus 32. 90 minus 32 is 58, isn't it? 10 minus 2 is 8, and this is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. So 3 sine 72 degree in the numerator, and in the denominator we have cos 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, isn't it? So this is sin theta is 72 degree, minus comes here, sec 32 degree, sec 32 degree. So cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, isn't it? Sec theta 32. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So cosec 90 minus theta, theta is 32, that is sec 32. So sin 72 from the denominator and sin 72 from the numerator can be cancelled. We have 3 here now. 3 ones are 3, minus this, and this number can be cancelled, so we have 1 here. So 3 minus 1 is 2, isn't it? So the answer for question number 6 of 7 is 2. Now let's do another question. Number 7 of 7. Okay, we have 3 cos 80 into cosec 10 plus 2 cos 59 into cosec 31. Okay, so let's change this angle and keep this angle as it is. 3 cos 80 degree into cosec 10 means cosec 90 minus 80. 90 minus 80 is 10, isn't it? Plus this 2 cos 59 we copy as it is, 2 cos 59 degree. Okay, this is cos 2 cos 59 degree, and cosec 31 means cosec 90 minus 59. 90 minus 59 is 31, isn't it? 10 minus 9 is 1, and this becomes 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. So this is 3 cos 80 degree into cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, isn't it? Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So sec 80 degree plus this 2 cos 59 degree into cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Sec 59. Now here we have 3. See, the angles are same, 80 and 80. So cos theta into sec theta. Cos theta into sec theta is 1. Cos theta into sec theta means 1 plus 2. We write here as it is. See, the angles are same, 59, 59. So cos theta into sec theta. Angles should be same. Please keep in mind, angles should be same. Okay, if the angles are different, we cannot write 1. So angles are same, 59, 59. So cos theta into sec theta. Cos theta into sec theta is 1. So this is 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 ones are 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, isn't it? So this is the answer for question number 7. Now let's do question number 8. Okay, now let's do question number 8 of 7. So we have cos 75 upon sin 15 plus sin 12 upon cos 18 minus cos 18 upon sin 72 degree, isn't it? So I copy as it is cos 75 degree, and in the denominator sin 15 degree, isn't it? So this can be written as sin 90 minus 75. So 90 minus 75 gives us 15. this sign is this sign. 90 minus 75 is 15, plus sine 12, I write as it is, sine 12 degree. Cos 78 means cos 90 minus 12. 90 minus 12 is 78. So this minus sign comes here. Cos 18, I copy as it is, cos 18 degree. And in the denominator we have sine 72, that means sine 90 minus 18. 90 minus 18 gives us 72. Okay. So this is cos 75 degree. Cos 75 degree in the numerator. And in the denominator we have sine 90 minus theta. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, isn't it? Cos 75. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sine 90 minus theta. Theta is 75. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Plus this is sine 12. And here cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. This is sine theta means 12 minus cos 18, and in the denominator sine 90 minus 18, that is sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos theta is 18, isn't it? So this cos 75 and cos 75 can be cancelled. We have 1 here. Sine 12 and sine 12 which can be cancelled. This is 1. Cos 18 cancelled 1. So 1 plus 1, this is 2 minus this one here. Okay, this one plus this one is 2, and this minus sign comes here, and this 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, isn't it? So this is the answer for question number 7 of 7. Sorry, question number 8 of 7. Okay. Okay, this was for today. I'll continue the remaining question in the next video. Okay, thank you so much.